Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the complete details of the CCS exam in a very clear and simple way. Okay, first of all, CCS stands for Certified Coding Specialist. Okay, this certification is mainly focused on inpatient coding and is considered one of the top certifications in the medical coding. Okay, this certification also accepted in HSC department also. Means if you are certified CCS certified, you can do in HSC project also, no problem. So if you are serious about building a strong career in coding, CCS is a very valuable certification. Okay, so basic details of the exam. So what is essentials at the exam? So now let's start with the basic details. So the exam duration is 4 hours. Okay, the exam duration is 4 hours. It is a computer based exam. You cannot take it from home. Okay, you must attend the exam at a Pearson View test center. Okay, total score is 400. How much? Total score is 400 marks. To pass you need minimum 300 marks. Very simple. So if you get 299 you fail. Okay, if you get 300 you pass. And one more important thing is one payment gives only one attempt. So you must clear the exam in that attempt. Okay, so total questions, question pattern, first thing, question structure and scoring. So now let's understand the question pattern. Total number of questions is 107. 86 are multiple choice questions. 21 are case scenario questions. Okay, 21 case scenario question means 7 case studies. Each case study have 3 questions. Okay, but I will tell you again. So but here the important twist is you do not get marks for all 107 questions. Only 97 questions are scored. Okay, 97 questions are scored. 79 MCQs, 18 case scenario questions. The remaining 10 questions are called unscored or dummy questions. Okay, these are randomly included and they do not affect your score whether you answer them correctly or not. So case scenario, first thing, case scenario explanation. So now let's talk about case scenarios. You will get around 7 case scenarios. Okay, each scenario will have 3 questions. Okay, each scenario have 3 questions. 7 into 3, 21. Okay, these questions are usually, so these questions are usually mainly first listed diagnosis. Okay, primary diagnosis, secondary diagnosis and procedure. Okay, so for example, this is important warning. If you select extra or incorrect course, especially in secondary diagnosis or procedures, your score will drop. Okay, for example, one mistake, your accuracy may be dropped to around 80%. So we don't know, depends on added course. Okay, So 2 mistakes, it may be dropped to around 60. So next thing is ID proofs. What we need in exam center. Now let's talk about the ID requirements. Okay, you must carry two original proofs. Okay, you must carry two original ID proofs. No Xerox copies, no mobile photos, no expired IDs. So primary IDs: PAN card, passport, driving license. Okay, any one must. Okay, so secondary ID: PVC voter ID or PVC Aadhaar card or debit card or credit card. Okay, so with your name and signature. Debit card, your name and signature. Old paper voter IDs is not accepted. Okay, and regular Aadhaar card is not accepted. Only PVC Aadhaar cards are allowed. Your first name and last name must match exactly on both IDs. Okay, middle name is different, sir. Okay, but last name mismatch is not allowed. For example, this is first name and this is second name. For example, my first name is Urta and second name is Krishna. Actually, this is my name. In the Aadhaar card, for example, printed like this: Urta Krishna Murthy. Okay, this is not acceptable. Okay, second one is not acceptable. Okay, so must we need to match. Okay, so next, books. So now coming to books, this is an open book exam. Okay, so CCS, you must carry three original books: ICD 10 CM, CPT, ICD 10 PCS. Okay, ICD 10 CM and ICD 10 PCS is both are different. Okay, must carry three original books, not copies. Okay, so important, only original books are allowed. Okay, Xerox copies, printouts or soft copies are not allowed. Okay, so exam cycle, is, wait, so exam cycle is, CCS cycle runs from May 1st to April 30 based on your exam date. Your book year changes. If your exam is before May, use previous year books. If your exam is after May, use current year books. Okay, don't forget this. Exam domains: what to study. So this is the syllabus. 5 domains. Okay, one is coding knowledge skills, coding documentation, provider queries, regulatory complaints, information technology, and 9 question navigation. Tricky part, this is tricky part. Okay, wait. So navigation review, timer runs countdown. Okay, 4 hours to 0. Okay, section 1, only one question appear at a time. You cannot go back immediately. You can flag questions for review. Okay, review is available only after completing all 86 questions. Okay, section 2, case scenarios, same pattern, no back option during answering. So review only after finishing the section. Okay, you must answer every question to move forward. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, next result and certification. Next, result and certification. So finally, result and certification, you will get your score immediately at the exam center. From the next day, you can download your certificate from Ahima login. You will also receive a physical certificate. So validity of the certificate 2 years. Okay, recertification every 2 years. Must complete 20 CEUs. Okay, free approximately $218. So this is the complete overview of the CCS exam. So if you understand the structure clearly, your preparation will become much easier. In the exam class, we will focus on how to prepare and how to score 300 plus easily. Okay, so are you understand everything? Okay, if you have any doubts, ask me. Okay, thank you.